Jamaica is once again making its mark on the global boxing stage, and this time the seismic shockwave came all the way from Brampton, Ontario. Jamaican super welterweight boxer Joshua Hellrazor Frazer just delivered a masterful performance, capturing not one, but two championship titles, the Canadian and the WBL International belts. With this victory, he sent a clear message to the boxing world. He is a force to be reckoned with, and he can no longer be ignored. The battle took place at the Queen's Manor Event Center, where Frazer squared off against Mponda Kalunga, a tough fighter known in the circuit as the Egyptian Prince. From the moment the opening bell rang, it was evident that Frazer was in a league of his own. The first round was a study in patience and precision. Hellrazor calmly measured his opponent, analyzing Kalunga's movements, his reactions, and looking for any weaknesses. He was a predator sizing up his prey. Then came the second round, and the entire dynamic of the fight shifted. Frazer cranked up the intensity, unleashing a calculated and relentless assault. His sharp timing, combined with the strategic advantage of his southpaw stance and commanding height, proved to be a puzzle Kalunga simply couldn't solve. The Egyptian Prince found himself on the defensive, struggling to find any answers to Frazer's overwhelming pressure. Under the sustained attack, Kalunga suffered an arm injury that left him unable to continue. The referee had no choice but to step in and wave off the fight, declaring Joshua Frazer the winner by TKO. With that victory came two shiny championship belts. For Frazer and his team, this outcome was never a surprise. It was simply the execution of a well-laid plan. His father and coach, Dewith Frazer, explained that they knew it was just a matter of time from the very start. He said, "From the fight started, we realized that it was only a matter of time." He didn't know how to deal with Joshua's height. He didn't know how to deal with him being a southpaw. Everything was a challenge for him. What makes this victory even more spectacular is the reputation of the man Frazer defeated. Mponda Kalunga is known for his durability and toughness. Before this fight, he had only been stopped once in his entire professional career. In his previous bout, Kalunga went the full distance against a highly ranked middleweight, a testament to his resilience. The fact that Frazer managed to finish him so quickly, forcing a TKO in just the second round, makes a powerful statement about his own skill and power. Dewith Frazer summed it up perfectly. This really says a lot because Joshua stopped him in a very short period. It's a performance that turns heads and gets people talking. But this win is about so much more than just the belts and the impressive TKO. It represents a major turning point in Frazer's career. Recognition. For years, Joshua Frazer has been ranked among the top contenders in his division, yet many fighters seem to avoid the challenge of stepping into the ring with him. He was the high-risk, low-reward opponent that champions and top prospects steered clear of. Now, holding two international titles, that entire dynamic is about to change. The hunter has become the hunted. As his father Dewith explained, what this represents is that the international community will see his name more often. Some champions will now look at him as somebody to fight, because he has something they might want. These belts are more than just hardware. They are keys that unlock doors to bigger fights, bigger paydays, and a higher profile on the world stage. With these titles, Frazer's world ranking is expected to skyrocket. Opportunities that were once closed off will now swing wide open. So, what's next for the newly crowned champion? Despite the massive momentum from this win, the Frazer camp is taking a measured and strategic approach. They're in no rush to jump at the first offer that comes their way. Instead, they plan to carefully evaluate all the opportunities that arise and make decisions that will best serve Joshua's long-term career goals. They're playing chess, not checkers. However, there is one particularly exciting possibility on the horizon that will have fans in the Caribbean buzzing: a homecoming fight in Jamaica. His father revealed their plans, saying, "We hope very soon Joshua will make an appearance in Jamaica. He wants to show Jamaica his skills and thank them for the support they have given him. He also wants to show the community the possibilities that exist for them." For Hellrazor, this journey is about more than just personal glory or championship titles. It's about inspiration. It is about proving to the next generation of young athletes in Jamaica and beyond that, with unwavering discipline, a strong belief in yourself, and relentless perseverance, you can rise from any circumstances and claim your space on the world stage. Joshua Hellrazor Frazer's victory in Canada wasn't just a win. It was a declaration. It was a warning shot fired across the bow of the super welterweight division. The belts are now secured, his ranking is on the climb, and the entire international boxing world is officially on notice. Jamaica has another warrior in the ring, and this fire is only just beginning to burn. If you're proud to see Jamaica's fighters shining on the world stage, make sure you hit that like button, share this story with a friend, and subscribe for more powerful stories of Jamaican athletes breaking barriers all over the globe. Drop a Jamaican flag in the comments if you want to see Joshua, Hellrazor, or Frazer fight on home soil, and let us know who you think he should face next. Thanks for watching, and stay locked in, because this is just the beginning of Hellrazor's rise.